The elaborate chess game of maritime sanctions evasion, unraveling the SCF Primorai saga. In the intricate web of international relations, where sanctions and counter-sanctions serve as the pieces on a geopolitical chessboard, the recent episode involving the SCF Primorai unfolds as a nuanced maneuver, offering a glimpse into the high-stakes game of maritime sanctions evasion. The SCF Primorai, a vessel ensnared in the crosshairs of U.S. sanctions orchestrated by the Treasury's Office of Foreign Assets Control, emerges as a focal point in this geopolitical theater. October marked its descent into the annals of sanctioned entities, prompting a self-imposed hiatus in oil loading that endured for a span of 6 months. However, April witnessed a resurgence in its activities as it departed from the port of Novorossiysk, its hull laden with the coveted Urals crude, setting course on a transcontinental voyage spanning over 7,500 nautical miles. With the East Asian horizon beckoning from afar, Russia's resilience in the face of Western sanctions is epitomized by its steadfast oil export trajectory, averaging a formidable 3.4 million barrels per day this calendar year. The cumulative export value, a staggering $37 billion, underscores the efficacy of Russia's stratagem in navigating the choppy waters of economic restrictions. May's fiscal report card, boasting a near 50% surge in oil proceeds compared to the antecedent year, stands testament to Moscow's adeptness in capitalizing on volatile crude valuations while deftly sidestepping sanctions pitfalls. The cloak and dagger theatrics commence as the SCF Primorai, poised on the periphery of Singapore's bustling maritime nexus, disappears from the radar of the Automatic Identification System, AIS. This strategic maneuver, orchestrated by the vessel's crew, plunges it into the realm of maritime obscurity, shielded from prying eyes and regulatory oversight. Yet, clandestine operations seldom evade the gaze of vigilant observers, and aerial surveillance soon unveils the clandestine choreography unfolding beneath the azure expanse. On June 3rd, the SCF Primorai, in a deft display of maritime subterfuge, executes a covert cargo transfer onto the Ocean Hermana, thereby obfuscating the paper trail and diluting the taint of sanctions on the traded commodity. However, the revelation of the Ocean Hermana's role in this clandestine pas de deux complicates the narrative, casting a pall over the veneer of plausible deniability. Guided by the helm of Sovcomflot PJSC, the SCF Primorai maintains a stoic silence in the face of scrutiny, declining to offer any commentary on its clandestine caper. Meanwhile, TankerTrackers.com Inc., a stalwart in the realm of satellite reconnaissance, lends credence to the narrative, affirming the identities of the vessels embroiled in this high-seas intrigue. The Ocean Hermana, a seasoned mariner with 2 decades of maritime exploits and an enigmatic insurer in tow, emerges as a player inextricably intertwined with Asia's maritime tapestry. Its port calls in Singapore, the Malacca Strait, and various Chinese harbors punctuate its strategic entrenchment within the region's maritime thoroughfares, casting a shadow of ambiguity over its role in this maritime drama. As the saga of the SCF Primorai unfolds, it offers a window into the convoluted world of sanctions evasion, where the lines between legality and subterfuge blur amidst the undulating waves of geopolitical maneuvering.